Okay. Growing up, I read books about enchanting bliss. Falling head over heels, sealed by a true love's kiss. Embers in the air, flickers everywhere. A fire you just can't miss. Now the older I get, the more I reminisce. I want it sincerely, so I'm still daydreaming.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ida. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Happy birthday, ate. Love you.
I can't open it.
Naman.
Need Daddy's home. I have this. Why is it so heavy? Look here. Look on the front. Thank you, everybody.
Love it?
Yeah. Oh, yay! Can I try?
Open, nandiyan ang switch sa right.
That,
Taas.
this one.
Yan.
Yeah. Open it. Go. Emza.
Okay na, bilang.
Iya, anong laman niyang iyong daladala?
Fire.
Iya, anong laman?
Switch to Sevilla.
Yan na, Savia na yan eh.
Oh, yay! I can play this too.
Hi guys, we're on our way now to American Dream Mall. Sinundo muna namin kanina si Savia sa school. Kasi after namin siya kantahan kanina ng happy birthday, kung nakita niyo dun sa video, pumasok muna siya sa school kasi meron silang holiday shop. And gusto niya mag-shopping dun sa holiday shops nila sa school kasi bibili niya kami ng gifts. Also, nagdala rin siya ng mga goodie bags for her classmates kasi nga diba birthday niya today. Yun yung pinapak namin last time nung birthday naman ni Nob.
Aral ah. Ah!
Aray, yan na.
Dito na kami ngayon sa loob ng American Dream Mall. It's the second largest mall here in the US. So, itong Mr. Beast Burger, lagi namin naman itong nadadaan kapag pumupunta kami dito sa American Dream. Pero, ngayon pa lang namin siya napatry. Ayaw namin sana kumain ng burger kasi gusto namin sana rice, something Asian. Pero, sa sobrang laki nitong mall, and ito na yung nakita naming restaurant. So, dito na kami kumain dahil gutom na rin kami.
Butterflies you feel. It's not out of touch if what I want is something that I deal.
Diba ang bongga ng soda dispenser nila dito? Digital na yung pagpili mo kung anong drinks yung kukunin mo. Ganyan din diba last time nung nanood kami sa AMC. Meron na rin ba guys ganyan sa Philippines kasi dito ko lang na-try yan.
All the sparks will fly, lighting up the sky like the fireworks on the 4th of July. The city will ignite magic, wonder, thunder.
Sprite din.
Striking through my heart when I fall in love. All the sparks will fly.
Yeah.
Looking in his eyes. Yeah. All the sparks will fly. All the sparks will fly. All I want is to feel it, believe it, that one true love can get enough. Oh yeah. All I want is to know it, grow it, it's true.
And here's my order. Robo cheeseburger yata yan, hindi ko maalala. Sarap yung burger nila. Ayun lang, normal lang na burger. Pero medyo malaki siya than the normal burger sa atin sa McDonald's.
When I fall in love, all the sparks
Yeah. Sabi.
on the 4th of July.
And we're now here sa Nickelodeon Universe. Parang, hindi ko alam, third time na yata namin magpunta dito. Pero, sobrang enjoy kasi dyan yung mga kids. And, ito kasi yung malapit sa amin na indoor theme park. Alam niyo na, sobrang lamig na kasi kasi dito ngayon sa New Jersey.
It's my birthday today. December 14th.
Every time nakikita ko tong Nickelodeon, sobrang natutuwa pa rin ako kasi big fan talaga ako ng Nickelodeon ng bata pa.
My headphones on, play my favorite.
First, we're gonna get on the slime thingy.
I'm doing voice-over now kasi puro Christmas songs yung tugtog dito sa Nickelodeon Universe. Pati kanina dun sa Mr. Beast. Nantuwa talaga sila dyan sa slime na yan. And every time pupunta kami dyan, talaga sila agad pumupunta. Ang maganda kasi dito guys sa Nickelodeon Universe, free lang yung entrance niya. Kung hindi kayo magbabayad kung wala naman kayong sasakyan na rides. You can buy yung ride all you can na ticket, meron doon sa website nila. Pero kasi hindi naman mahilig sa mga extreme rides yung mga bata. Sobrang liit pa nila. So, bumibili lang ako ng tickets kung ano yung gusto nilang rides.
Saan tayo? Later. Pagod na.
I'm not. I just cough all the time.
Sing. Okay?
Tie the laces tight on my sneakers.
Ha?
Up with the speakers. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. New age and life can get crazy. I just see the way that woo. If I'm too serious, then I might go crazy. I just see the way that woo.
Zoe! Sabia!
Let it go. Turn up the radio. Turn up the radio. Let it go. Turn up the radio. Keep it moving, yeah. Just keep pushing, nah, nah, nah. Keep it moving, yeah. Keep it moving, yeah. Just keep pushing, nah, nah, nah. Keep it moving, yeah.
Follow me, okay?
Guys, alam nyo ba na itong Nickelodeon Universe is the largest indoor theme park here in North America.
Sunshine. We're up in the air, but I'm down for the ride. I could be your sunshine. Yeah. Every time you get in mine, baby, give me a raise. Give me a raise. Every time you get in mine.
Grabe yung mga rides din guys, talagang tinitingnan ko pa lang nahihilo na ako. Kaya hindi talaga ako pwede sa mga ganyan rides.
Driving down the 405, never feel so alive. Yeah. Ooh, every time I'm all alone, can't help but pick up the phone, and I'm ringing it for you. And I'm ringing it for you.
happens when the world ends. At least this isn't okay.
Ito guys, nung nakita ko, sobrang na-excite talaga ako kasi kung big fan din kayo ng Nickelodeon, alam nyo yung Legends of the Hidden Temple. Favorite na favorite namin yan. Kami ng best friend ko, lagi namin yung pinapanood. And tuwing nanonood kami, alam mo yung feeling namin na nandun din kami at naglalaro. At some point na, sinerch ko pa yan sa internet kung paano kami makakapag-join dyan sa Legends of the Hidden Temple na yan. Pero nakita ko na sa US lang pala siya pwede.
Say hi!
You know
Ready, girls, say cheese, please,
I waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without
Takbo kasi kayo ng takbo.
now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you, I want
Sabihan, sakay kayo dun, oh. O, tara.
I'm afraid.
Share kayo. Share.
Go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you.
Ito mo to. 35.
Ilan ba dapat?
25.
Ilang points lang yun?
Sabi ko, enough na sa mga rides. Mag-arcade na lang kami. Kayo din ba guys nung college, tambay din ba kayo sa Quantum tsaka sa Time Zone? Kasi yun yung favorite pastime namin ng mga classmate ko.
Cause nothing feels the same without you now. And all my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting mine. But if you talk to me again, it'd be worth it. All my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting my whole life trying to be something I can't. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for
And yan guys, naglaro na naman sila ng air hockey. Favorite na nila yan. Sobrang nag-e-enjoy yung dalawang bata dyan.
nothing feels the same without you now.
Dito lang kayo. Bilis! Yes! Go! Give it! Papakita ni Daddy. tumapat pa sa yellow. Ano ba?
Ganyan guys, napagod na sila. So, sabi namin, papapalitan na namin yung mga tickets na na-earn namin. So, kumuha lang sila ng mga candies and mga little toys like Slinky, ganyan. And, ayun, uwi na kami after. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!